is Anjali Saima. In the previous two videos, you have seen classification on the welding, application on the welding, complete disadvantage of the welding, okay. And you have seen the gas welding, then gas welding techniques, therefore right word, gas welding techniques. You have seen like various flames in the gas welding, oxidation to neutral, oxidizing flame, carbonizing flame, and various techniques like left word technique. What is left word? What is the direction? What is the direction of the welding in the left word techniques? How it moves? Welding torch. Okay. Then in the left word technique, the right word, how it works, the direction. Okay. Then we'll see here in this video. We'll see the difference between them, comparison between rightward and leftward technique. Okay, this question is very important. It also asked in examinations number of times. So in rightward technique, it is also called a backward. Leftward, it is also a forward. The quality of obtained weld is better in case of rightward techniques. The weld quality is poor in case of leftward technique. Beveling is required for welding up to 8.2 mm plate. Okay, no beveling is required. Beveling is required. Beveling is required for welding up to 3 mm plate thickness. Beveling means you have to reduce to a sloping edge. Sloping edge. Okay. The welding is done from left hand to right hand. Welding is done from right hand to left hand. Okay. Left word मतलब क्या? Right to left. Right word left to right. The total volume of deposited metal is smaller, which reduces the shrinkage of and distortion. Total volume of deposited metal is more. Other points are there. For example, welding cost is in case of rightward welding cost is less, as there is less consumption of filler metal. In case of leftward, cost of welding is more than the rightward technique. In case of rightward, while welding weak groove, the welder's view is unobstructed. In this, the view of joint edges is interrupted, and it is necessary to remove the end of the rod. So gas welding, what are the various gas welding equipments? Oxygen gas cylinder, acetylene gas cylinder, oxygen and acetylene pressure regulators, oxygen and acetylene gas houses, welding torch or blowpipe, gas welding filler rods and fluxes, goggles and gloves, spark lighter. Okay, these are the various equipments. Oxygen gas cylinder, these are black painted and wall outlets are screwed right-handed. The material used for cylinder is generally steel or alloy steel. Gas cylinder, oxygen gas cylinder. These are painted maroon and walls are screwed left-handed. It is made up of steel. Oxygen acetylene pressure regulator used to reduce high pressure of the gas in the cylinder to working pressure. Produce a steady flow if gas is varying. Oxygen acetylene gas hoses. In oxygen hose is color blue and has right-handed thread connection, whereas in acetylene hose is red and has left-handed thread connection. They are made of rubber. Welding torch or blowpipe is there. Gas welding filler rod, goggles and gloves, spark lighter. Okay, these are the various equipments. Gas welding advantages. What are the advantages? Operator has control over the temperature of weld zone. The rate of heating and cooling is relatively slow. Equipment is versatile, low cost, self-sufficient and generally portable. Low equipment and maintenance cost. These are the advantages. Disadvantage: refractory and reactive metal cannot be welded. More time is required than arc welding. More safety problems are associated with handling and storing of gases. Fluxes used in welding produces fumes that are irritating to the eyes, nose, throat and lungs. This section cannot be welded economically. These are the disadvantages. These are advantages. Application: joining thin materials is used for joining thin materials. Joining most ferrous and non-ferrous metals in automobile and aircraft interlace. industries initiate metal fabricating process. So these things are very important. What is, you will be asked, what are the application? This is a common question. What is the advantage? What is, the principle of gas welding? Explain oxyacetylene welding techniques with advantage, disadvantage, and applications. Okay, so these are always advantage, disadvantage, and applications. For this video, I will stop here. Thank you.